Good day, welcome to Life Tips. I am DrewEric, the abundance coach, helping people find an abundance of peace. Follow me on DrewEric.com and DrewEric on all social media, and YouTube for all my Life Tip Masterclass and Life Tip videos. Coaching services are available, so contact me in my message box or through my email, and I will be able to help you find peace. Today's life tip is spend 5 minutes in nature. The last several days I've come out to the beach and done my walk and my life tips, and by the time I got home I was very hot and sweaty, and changed my clothes and the whole thing. And then this morning I got up and I went out the door, and it was cold. It was beautiful, 70 degrees when I walked out my door, and I was like, wow, it is really a beautiful day today. And that was my inspiration for today's life tip. If you have a meditation practice, then spend 5 minutes in meditation. If you have a stillness practice, then just find some stillness. If all you can do is look out the window like a dog into the nature, then do that. Be like a dog or be like a cat. If all you have is a balcony, then go out on the balcony. No radio, no iPad, no phone, no podcast, no book. Just you and nature. We're not allowed to walk on the beach here anymore. We're not allowed to be on the sand, and we're not allowed to sit in stillness. So I have to, stand and keep moving a little bit. But I did find over on the other side of the street there's a bench that is on the opposite side of the beach, and I could sit there. As far as I know, I can sit there as long as I want. So I did. I spent a little time before I made this tip on just sitting there, and I heard birds, and I could hear, people running footsteps, and, there's cars and traffic and some bikers, and it was just beautiful as I looked out into the ocean. So take a little time today, find some stillness, rejuvenate your soul, rejuvenate yourself, and remember that we're here for peace. Remember that we're here for relaxation and comfort and love, and let all the troubles of the world go, and just for 5 minutes in nature, be still. And maybe do it again tomorrow. So thanks. Follow me on DrewEric.com. Coaching services are available. And remember to believe in yourself, believe in your worthiness, and abundance will follow. Thanks. Namaste.